Hi, my name is Liam, and I am your dedicated resource for Fynlo's tutorial videos. In today's session, I will walk you through the steps you should take once you've received payment for an issued invoice. For this scenario, Jenny Clover has just paid her upcoming due amount, which is also reflected on your dashboard under the Due Soon section. Start by navigating to the Invoices section, which can be found under Income. Find Jenny's unpaid invoice, then click the three dots on the right side of the entry. From the options, select Get Paid. In the Payment pop-up screen, choose the recorded bank information from the Deposited To drop-down menu. Next, select the appropriate payment method. Make sure the payment amount matches the exact amount Jenny paid. Since Jenny is a happy customer, she added a $10 tip, which you can also record. Once you've completed the steps, click on Receive Payment. You will then be redirected to the previous screen, where the payment status will be updated. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance.